The curved surface area of a cylinder is 6109 5 by 7 centimeter square and height is 36. If the cylinder is melted and recast into a sphere, then find the surface area of the sphere so formed. So here cylinder is converted into sphere, right? If you observe, he is asking for the surface area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square, isn't it? Here 11 is involved, isn't it? 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7, therefore it should be a 11 multiple, isn't it? If you observe this, 7 6,000s, 42,000, 109 into 7, 763, 42, 763 plus 5, 768. If you observe, this is 11 multiple, isn't it? 11 multiple. In the same manner, the answer must also be 11 multiple. If you multiply this, 63,000, isn't it? 63,000, 164 into 7, that is 150 into 7 is 1050, and 14 sounds 98 plus 4, 102. So that is 1152. If you add 1152, it will become 64152. 64152. It is 11 multiple, isn't it? 11 multiple. What about this? This is 10 less than 10, 70, isn't it? 70 less means 64082, isn't it? 70 less, because this is 164, this is 154. So 10 sevens are 70 less. It is not 11 multiple. This is 60 less. So 420. 420, if you subtract 420, it will become 63,732, isn't it? 13, 15, so it is not 11 multiple. What about this? This is 9808, 63,000, 5,600 plus 56, 60, 5,660, isn't it? That is 68660, not 11 multiple. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, male population of a city P is 4,000 less than the female population of the same city P. Male population, female population, and the ratio of male to female population of city Q is 4:3. Male and female population of city Q is 8x% and x% more than male and female population of city P respectively. If difference between male and female population of Q is 6,000, one part is 6,000, therefore male population of Q will be 24,000 and it will be 18,000, isn't it? So here this is about P. We don't know the values of male and female, but the difference is 4,000. It is clearly given. It is less, isn't it? So 8x% more and x% more. He is asking for the value of 2x. Then what is the value of 2x? Here the options are 12.5, 25, 30 and 20. Let us go with 20%. For example, if 2x is 20%, then what is 8x? 80%, isn't it? If 2x is 20%, 8x is 80%, 80%, x is 10%. So if the population of Q is 10% more than the female population of P, it should be 110%, but it is not a 11 multiple. It is not 11 multiple, therefore it cannot be 10%. If you observe 25%, for example, if 2x is 25%, then x is 12.5, which is 1/8, isn't it? 1/8. If it is 1/8 more, means if it is 8 parts, this will be 9 parts. If, for example, it is 9 multiple, isn't it? If 9 parts is 18,000, then 8 parts will be 16,000, isn't it? What about 8x? 8x is, that is 100%. This will be 200%. Then it will be 12,000, isn't it? So obviously it is 4,000 less, isn't it? Saripayindandi. Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer. We consider that 2x is 25%, isn't it? If a power x equal to b power y equal to c power z equal to a by b equal to b by c, then find the value of 3 into y into x plus z by zx whole cube plus 3. So if you observe, this is b square equal to ac. Can you assume any values for abc here? Can we assume a equal to b equal to c equal to 1? 1 square equal to 1 into 1, satisfied. Then 1 power x, can we assume, now we have to assume the values of xyz. We can assume xyz also as 1. Ardhamayindandi? 1 power 1 equal to 1 power 1 equal to 1 power 1. Substitute here. That is 3 into 1 into 2 by 1, that is 2 cube plus 3. 27. Option 2 is the correct answer. Equal distances are covered by boat in upstream and downstream in total 10 hours. The sum of speeds of the boat in upstream and downstream is 60 kmph. Sum of the speeds in upstream, that is my m minus s plus m plus s, which is 60. Therefore, m is 30 kmph, isn't it? If the respective ratio of the speed of boat and still water is 6:1, 6:1, 6 parts 30, 1 part 5. Find the approximate distance covered by boat in downstream. If you observe, what are the speeds here? Upstream speed is 30 minus 5. Downstream speed is 30 plus 5. That is 25 and 35. 5 is to 25 kmph and 35 kmph, isn't it? Now, if you observe, the total time is, this is kmph. Total time taken is 10 hours. So here the ratio of times will be 7:5. Total 10 hours. 10 hours. Therefore, in downstream it took 5 parts out of 12 parts of 10 hours. This is the time taken in downstream into the speed, that is 5 2 times, sorry, 2 5 times, 2 6 times, 25 into 35 by 6. Approximately, for example, here if you observe the options, 35 into 25 andi, ante 875 avuna, 36 aithe 900. So 875 divided by 6 will give 14, 84, 35. See, approximately 6 times. So 146 should be the answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. The length of a rectangle is 48 centimeter and breadth is 36 centimeter. If the rectangle is circumscribed by the circle, then find the area of the circle excluding the rectangle as shown in the figure. So we have to find out the area of the portion which is in white color. Understood or not? So if you observe, if you draw, actually this should touch the circumference of the circle. Actually, this is 12 threes, 12 fours, 12 fives, 60. So this is the diagonal of rectangle. So what is the radius of the circle? 30. So pi r square. pi is 3.14 into 30 into 30, that is the total area of circle, minus what is the area of this, that is 144 into 12, that is 1728. 12 3s 12 4s and 12 into 12 into 12, 1728. So 2 zeros will give will make it 314 into 9. 9 3s are 27 and 14 9s are 126. 126 2826 అండి. 2826 minus 1728 చెప్పండి, that is 1098 1098. Option 4 is the correct answer. Next, if a plus b is 90, tan square a by 1 plus cot b plus tan b by 1 plus tan a equal to 1, sin a minus 45 secant a plus 15. So can you assume any values for a and b? 45 will satisfy this equation, isn't it? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will give 1. So obviously this will be sin 30 minus secant 60, isn't it? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 minus secant 60 is 2, that is minus 1.5. A set of 5 2-digit integers is given. Average of first and last numbers is middle number, second number is half of the first number, the sum of first 3 numbers is 127, middle number is question mark, and average of 5 numbers are question mark, fourth number is 62. If you observe set of 5 2-digit numbers, let us consider the first number is x and the second number is half of this, means let us consider this as 2x and second number will be x. Let us consider the last number is 2y, such that the average of these two will be the middle number. What is the average of first and last? 2x plus 2y by 2, that is x plus y, and fourth number is 62. Sum of the first 3 numbers, that is 4x plus y, isn't it? Which is equal to 127. Then he is asking for the middle number and the average of 5 numbers. Let us consider the first option. If the middle number is 64, therefore x plus y is 64. This is 3x plus x plus y, isn't it? So if we write 64 here, 3x equal to 63, x equal to 21, this will become 42, 21. If x is 21 and x plus y is 64, then y is 43, then it will become 86, isn't it? 86. So if the middle number is 64, then what about the average of all the numbers? 42 plus 21, 63 plus 64, 63, 62, 64. The average is 63. 63 అంతేనా? ఎక్కడ తప్పు చేసాం? 60, ఓకే, బై 4 కదా, రైట్. 63, 64, 62 ఎక్కడికి ఎంత అయింది? 189 plus 86, that is 275 divided by 5, so it should be 55. So the middle number should be 64 and the average should be 55. Option 3 should be the answer. Here if the mean cost of oranges is 27.5, for finding the mean we should consider the middle values of the class interval, the classes. So 11, 15, what is the middle value? 13. 11 plus 15 is 26 by 2, that is 13. 13, this is 18, so 5 difference, 23, 28, 33 and 38. 13 4s are 52, 18 2s are 36, 23 5s are 115, 28 A's are 28A, 33 8s are 240 plus 264 plus 38 5s are 190, isn't it? Divided by how many numbers are there? 6, 11, 11, 13, 24 plus A equals to 27.5, that is 55 by 2, isn't it? 55 by 2. ఇప్పుడు సార్ సమ్ చేయండి, సరే 52, 88, that is 190, sorry 88, 203 plus 467, 667, 657, 13, 14 is equal to 55 24s. 55 24s are 120 అండి. ఎందుకు 1200 plus 120, 1320 plus 55A, that is not 55A, ఎక్కడో తప్పింది, ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఉంది, that is 56A. Therefore A equal to 6 అండి. A is equal to 6, option 4. Coming to the next question. If ratio of compound interest to simple interest received on a certain sum at R% rate of interest after 2 years is 41:40, then what is the sum of compound interest received on 2500 at R plus 11% after 9 months compound quarterly and simple interest received 2850 at R plus 3% after 3 years? If you observe, the ratio of compound interest is to simple interest 41:40. మనకి ఎక్కడొస్తుందో చెప్పండి, 10కి చెప్పండి. What is the ratio of compound interest for 2 years at the rate of 10%? 21 and 20. మరి 20% అయితే 44 and 40. మరి 5% అయితే 10.25 and 10. దీనికి 4 times కదండి ఇది. Understood or not? So obviously the rate of interest is 5%. Rate of interest is 5%. Means R must be 5%. Therefore R plus 11 is 16%, 2500. Compounded quarterly means 4% quarter. How many quarters? 9 months means 3 quarters. So 2500 at 4%. What is 4%? 100 rupees. Again 100 rupees. 4% 4 rupees. 104. 4% is 4.16, isn't it? That is 312.16 is the interest accrued from 2500 at the rate of 16% compound interest. Simple interest received on 2850, R plus 3 means 8%. 8 3s are 24%. 2850, 24% on 2850. That is 25% is 712.5, isn't it? 1% is 28.5. Understood or not? 0. Idantandi 84. 684. So the interest accrued is 684. If you add here, the total interest will be 996.16. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next. What is the area of the triangle formed with the lines 2x plus 3y equal to 6, 2x minus y plus n equal to 0, y equal to 0? Do you know how to solve this question? Here y equal to 0 is nothing but x-axis. So here 3 lines are involved through which a triangle is formed. For example, let us consider these 3 lines are, first one is 2x plus 3y equal to 6, second one is 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 0, third one is y equal to 0, nothing but x-axis. Understood or not? So how to find out the area of a triangle? So we have to find out 3 points, 3 vertices of the triangle, isn't it? 3 vertices. How to find this vertex? The point of intersection of these two lines. No. The point of intersection of these two lines. That is, and the point of intersection of these two lines will give this point. The point of intersection of these two lines will give third vertex. Understood or not? Let us solve these two lines. Y equal to 0, substitute y equal to 0, then x equal to minus 5. So minus 5 comma 0. Let us solve these two. 3 comma 0. Let us solve these two. That is actually 2x plus 3y equal to minus 10. Sorry. 2x plus 3y equal to 6. 2x minus y equal to minus 10. Subtracting 4y equal to 16. Y equal to 4. If y equal to 4, substitute here, x will be minus 3, isn't it? Minus 3 comma 4. Here, now we know all the 3 points. Now we can find the area of the triangle using the formula half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus. Please find out the answer. Here 3 points are given. Minus 5 comma 0, 3 comma 0, minus 3 comma 4. So that is, the formula is half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 modulus. That is 1 by 2 into minus 5 plus 3 into minus 4 y2 minus y3, sorry. That is minus 5 into minus 4 plus 3 into 4 minus 3 into 0. 20 plus 12, 16 answer, isn't it? 16 square centimeter is the answer. If alpha and beta are the roots of 7x square minus 15x plus 8, what is the quadratic equation having roots 1 by alpha square plus 1 by alpha square and 1 by beta square? Actually, can you find the roots of this equation? That is 56, 7 and 8. Minus 7 by, that is 7 by 7 and 8 by 7, isn't it? 1 comma 8 by 7. Here 1 by alpha square, let us consider this is alpha, this is beta. 1 by alpha square will give 1. 1 by beta square. Actually beta square is 64 by 49. 1 by beta square is 49 by 64. Using these two roots, find the quadratic equation. X square minus 1 plus 49 by 64 into x plus 1 into 49 by 64 equal to 0. That is 64x square minus 113x plus 49 equals to 0. Option 1 is the correct answer. If you are unable to find the values of alpha and beta, then what to do? Yes. First of all, we have to find, actually the new equation will be x square minus 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square into x plus 1 by alpha square into 1 by beta square, isn't it? So here This is alpha square plus beta square by alpha square beta square. This is alpha square beta square. Nothing but alpha beta whole square. Here it is alpha square plus beta square, which can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. And from the equation we can find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. If we substitute there, we will get the answer. That is the procedure if you are unable to find the roots of the given equation. Okay. The marks obtained by persons P and Q are in the ratio 4:3. R marks are 80% of P and S marks are 30% more than that of Q. P, Q, R, S. 40, let us consider 40 and 30. 40, 30, 80% of P, R is 80%, that is 32, and SC is 30% more than Q, that is 39, isn't it? Average marks of P, R and T is 185, T is included here. Let us consider X and X. Q's marks are divisible by both 3 and 5 and are between 149 and 154. Can you tell the number which is divisible by 3 and 5 between 149 and 154? Can you tell me a number which is divisible by 3 and 5? 150 obviously. So the value of Q must be 150. Therefore X must be 5, isn't it? If X is 5, this will be 200. This will be 160. This will be 195, isn't it? And the average of PRT 200 plus 160, that is 360, plus T by 3 equal to 185, isn't it? 555, T is equal to 195. T equal to 195. T and U are in the ratio 39:44. Though here P is 200, Q is 150, 160, 150, 160, 195, 195, and they are in the ratio 39:44, isn't it? So obviously 5 times, this will be 5 times 220. P, Q, R, S, T, U. He is asking for the approximate average marks of all the given persons. Let us consider an average here. Let us consider 160. Missed only. 160, let us consider 160. This is plus 40, minus 10, 0, plus 35, plus 35, plus 60. That is 70, plus 30, 100 plus 60, 160 by 6. Obviously it will give 6 2 times, 6 approximately 7 times. 27 plus 160, 187 should be the average. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next, a right circular cone of height 16.8 and the radius of base is 8.4. It is melted and recast into a hemisphere. Surface area of hemisphere is, hemisphere surface area 3 pi r square. Here it should be a multiple of 3 and 11 also. If you observe 18.8, so this will be 19.8. Option 2, 16.8, 21.8. So option 2 is the correct answer. It is 3 multiple also. The sum of two numbers is 1134, such that one of the two numbers lie between 700 and 800. If their LCM is 5616 and their HCF is 54, what is the difference between the two numbers? If HCF is 54, the numbers will be in the form 54x, 54y, and the LCM will be 54xy, which is equal to 5616. xy is equal to 54 one time, 0 times, 4 times, 104. xy is 104, and it is clearly given that the sum of the numbers, that is 54x plus 54y is equal to 1134. X plus y equal to 54 2 times 108 and 21, isn't it? 54 21. Sum must be 21, product must be 104. 13 8s, 13 plus 8 is 21, 13 8s are 104. So the numbers, the difference will be 54 into x minus 5, isn't it? That is 54 into 13 minus 8. 54 5s are 270 should be the answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. One more thing here, as the numbers are in the form 54x and 54y, we can clearly tell that the answer must be a 9 multiple. If there is only one 9 multiple, option 3 should be the answer. Okay. XYZ can complete a work alone in 18, 24, 12 days respectively. X started the work alone, and after 8 days X left the work, and then Y joined the work and worked for A minus 2 days, and then Z joined the work. Y and Z worked together for A plus 1 days, and then Z left the work after Y finished the remaining work in 7 days. What is the percentage of work completed by Y in 8 days? So for example, let us consider the LCM of 18, 24 and 12. Entante? 72, isn't it? So efficiency of X is 4, Y is 3, Z is 6. X started the work and after 8 days X left. 8 days means 4A units, isn't it? Plus Y joined the work, worked for A minus 2 days. A minus 2 into 3, understood or not? Plus Z joined the work. Y and Z worked together for A plus 1 days. A plus 1 into 9, isn't it? And then Z left, Y finished in 7 days. 7 3s are 21, the total work is finished then. 72. So here 4A plus 3A, 7A plus 9A, 16A, minus 6 plus 9, plus 3 plus 21, 24 equal to 72, 48, A equal to 3, isn't it? If A is 3, what is the percentage of work completed by Y in 8 days? Y in means that is 3 days, 3 into 3, 9 parts out of 72 parts. 1/8 work will be completed, which is 12.5%. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మంచి క్వశ్చన్ అండి, ఇదేం మనల్ని పెద్ద ఇబ్బంది పెట్టే క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి కాదు. రైట్, ఎ మ్యాన్ హ్యాడ్ సేవ్డ్ 16,415th year. In each year after the first, he saved 200 more than he did in the preceding year. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ తప్ప తర్వాత నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ నుంచి 200 సేవ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాడండి ఎక్స్ట్రాగా. హౌ మచ్ విల్ హీ సేవ్ అట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ 25th year? చెప్పండి. సో 25th yearలో ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 10 years. 10 years into 200 each, 2000 rupees on 16,400, 18,400 should be the answer. Next, find the value of 1 by 9 plus 99,999, 8,990 by 8,991 into 99,999, 1 by 9. ఇది మనం we should not multiply, we should use a logic here. So here this is 99,999 means 999 plus, can we write it as plus? 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2. So in the actually this is 1 less and అది. For example 5 by 6 ఉంటే that is 1 minus 1 by 6, isn't it? So in the same manner 1 minus 1 by 89991 into 9999, understood or not? This is 1 lakh. 1 lakh 1 lakh into 9999, 9999,000,000. This is 1 lakh into 9999. In 1 lakh we can observe 5 zeros, isn't it? అర్థం కాలేదండి. అచ్చా 4 9s. Okay, 9999000000. And one more thing, minus 8 9. If you observe, this cancels this for 9 times. That will become 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Answer is fourth option. జాగ్రత్తగా చేయాలండి. In the given figure, PQRS is square, ST square plus TQ square is equal to 12. What is the area of the square PQRS? You know, as this is a square, the angle here is 90. Understood or not? So if you observe this quadrilateral, the sum of the angles must be 360. 2x plus 2y plus x plus y. 3x plus 3y must be 270. Because already 90 is here. Therefore x plus y is 90. So this is 90 degrees. That is a right angle. Understood or not? If you join these two, this is a right angle triangle. These are two sides and this is hypotenuse. Understood or not? And one more thing, ST square plus TQ square will be equal to SQ square. Isn't it? So that is nothing but 12. Then SQ is. So let it be. SQ square is 12. If the diagonal of a square is known, how to find out the area? Diagonal square by 2. Diagonal is SQ. Diagonal square is XQ square by 2. SQ square is 12 by 2. 6 should be the answer. That is the area of the square. Next, a box contains A plus 4 red balls, B plus 5 green balls and C plus 10 black balls. The probability of picking a red ball at random is equal to that picking a black ball at random. So here red ball probability ela cheppalandi? A plus 4 by total is equal to black ball C plus 10 by same total, cancelled. Therefore A minus C equal to 6. And if A is 60% more than that of C, so A ki C ki ratio 160 is to 100 ana? Ante 8 is to 5. So difference is 3 parts is 6. So each part 2. So A must be 16, C must be 10. If A is 16 and C is 10, 20 and 20, the probability of picking a green ball, what is the probability of picking a green ball? That is B plus 5 by 20 plus 20, 40 plus B plus 5, isn't it? Which is equal to 5 by 13. Understood or not? So here try to find out the value of B, that is 13B plus 65 equal to, that is 5B plus 225. 8B equal to 160. ఏమండి అంతేనా? B equals to 20. If B is 20, he is asking for the value of A plus B plus C. 16 plus 20 plus 10. Option 4 is the correct answer. Which of the following may be the solution of equation 21 minus 5x minus 4x square greater than 0? If you observe, ఇప్పుడు దీనికి ఒక పని చేయండి. I want to write it as 4x square plus 5x minus 21, then it will be less than 0. ఈ కండిషన్ ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుందో చూడాలండి. దీనికి యాక్చువల్గా రూట్స్ చెప్పండి. 84 means 12 7 minus 12 by 4 7 by 4 minus 3 and 7 by 4. So ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే -3 and 7 by 4 should not be the answers, should not be the roots, because less than 0 రావాలండి. -3 ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ -3 పెడితే లెస్ దాన్ 0 రాదు, ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0 వస్తుంది. -7 by 4 పెట్టామనుకోండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ -7 by 4 పెడితే ఎంత వస్తుందో చెప్పండి. -7. Obviously this cannot be the answer, as -3 did not satisfy the given inequation, isn't it? -3 is not the answer. For example, if you choose 3 here, for example ikkade pedadamandi, 21 minus 15 minus 36, avuna? It is not greater than 0. So this should not be the answer, as 3 is involved here, so final answer should be 2 and minus 2. 2 pettandi. 21 minus 10 minus 16 greater than 0 అన్నాడు కదా, తప్పు. -2 పెట్టండి, plus 10 minus 16. సో ఇక్కడ -2 will satisfy, but 2 cannot satisfy. ఇది కూడా తప్పే, యాక్చువల్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఇది కూడా తప్పే. రెండు వాల్యూస్ సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలండి. -2 ఈజ్ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్, బట్ 2 ఈజ్ నాట్ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్. సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుందా? చేయట్లే. Tap A start filling tank P and at the same time tap B start filling tank Q. They alone can fill the tank 7 pm and 5 pm respectively. If at 3 pm tap A is closed, then tap B is opened for tank P and then tank is filled in 7 hours 12 minutes. If tap A opened for tank B, then find at what time it will fill the tank alone if capacity of both the tanks are same. Actually they are starting at the same time and they are finishing at 7 pm and 5 pm respectively. If at 3 pm A is closed, then tap B finished, the tap B opened for tank P and then tank is filled in total 7 hours 12 minutes. ఇప్పుడు 7 hours 12 minutes అండి. దీంట్లో ట్యాంక్ ఏ ఎంత ఎన్ని అవర్స్ వర్క్ చేసింది, ట్యాంక్ బి ఎన్ని అవర్స్ వర్క్ చేసిందో చెప్పాలి. చెప్పండి. 3 pmకి స్టాప్ చేశారు ఏని. ఎక్కడి నుంచి 3 pm? ఇది వేరు, మళ్ళీ ఈ కండిషన్ వేరు. ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేసినట్టు, ఏ టైంకి స్టార్ట్ చేసినట్టు అది ఇవ్వలేదండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గివెన్. మనకి అసలు ఆ రెండిట్లో ఎవరి షేర్ ఎంత? ఇఫ్ దే స్టార్టెడ్ ఇట్ 12 o'clock, A worked for 3 hours and B worked for 4 hours 12 minutes, isn't it? The time at what time the taps are opened should be mentioned clearly. So for this question we cannot answer this. Okay, next 2 cos square 15 secant 29 cosecant 61 1 అండి. ఇదేంటి 1971 1 36 54 1 tan 30 is 1 by root 3 into sin 60 root 3 by 2, isn't it? 3 by 2 అయిందా? 3 by 2 plus cot 63 minus 1 2 cos square 15, 2 cos square minus 1 is cos 30. cos 2 theta, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. ఇక్కడ ఏం ఇచ్చాడు మనకి 15 కదా ఇచ్చాడు. ఎస్ 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus cot 63 plus 3 by 2. ఏదండి ఇక్కడ కామన్ ఏంటి పరిస్థితి, కొసికెంట్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా మైనస్ కాట్ స్క్వేర్ థీటా ఉండాలి యాక్చువల్గా. 34 రాదండి నాకు తెలిసి. దిస్ షుడ్ బి కాట్ 56. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాట్ 56, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాట్ 56. కాట్ స్క్వేర్ 56, కొసికెంట్ స్క్వేర్ 2 అవుతుందండి. అప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. 2 సైన్ స్క్వేర్ 45 ఈస్ 1 by 2 minus this can be written as tan 45, tan a minus b, tan 45 minus 18, tan 27. This is also tan 27, cancelled. Cosecant 61. Okay, so answer must be this is 4 plus root 3 by 2. That's all. Approximate values ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయో చూద్దామా. root 3 by 2 అంటే ఎంతండి? 1.732 by 2, 0.866. so obviously 4.86. Option 1 is the correct answer. స్క్వేర్ ఇవ్వకూడదు అక్కడ. In the given figure, a tangent at a point C of a circle and diameter AB when extended intersect at P, angle PCA 120 and PC is 12, length of AC. You know the angle here will be 90 degrees. Then this will be 30. అంతేనండి. If it is 30, if it is 90, if you join these two, this is 90, this is 90, isn't it? So here it is 12. You know one thing, as this is 90, and one more thing, if you join these two, we know that this is 30. Understood or not? This must be 60. These two are radii. This should also be 60. This should also be 60. Understood or not? ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పండి, ఇది 60 అయితే in this right angle triangle, what should be, for example, this is COAB. What is the length of CO? If you apply tan 60 root 3, that is 12 by x. I am considering this is x, isn't it? Therefore x equal to 4 root 3. If it is 4 root 3, this will also be 4 root 3. He is asking for ఇక్కడ ఉన్న యాంగిల్ ఎంతో చెప్పండి. 90 4√3 4√3 and 4√3. అర్థమైంది ఏమైనా? ఈ కింద ఉన్నది రేడియసే కదండి. అప్పుడు ఇటు సైడ్ ఇది 4√3, ఇది 4√3 అయితే అవన్నీ ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిలే కదా అది 4√3. సో వీ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ హియర్. Here it is 4√3. He is asking for this side. This is 60 and this should be 30. If we apply tan 60 again, √3 equal to x by 4√3, that is 12. ఆప్షన్ ఉందా? 12 ఉందా అండి ఆప్షన్స్లో? మీకు లేదు, మీ దగ్గర లేదు కదా. చూడండి, ఆప్షన్ 4 ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ఇది పెద్ద కష్టమేం కాదు, ఎలాగైనా చేయొచ్చు దీన్ని. రెండు సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ చూపించి కూడా చేయొచ్చు దాంట్లో. ఏ షాప్ కీపర్ సోల్డ్ an article at successive discounts of 12% and 10% on its market price and received a profit of 12,256. If profit received is 37.6%, if the profit that would have been earned if no discount was allowed on the market price, then find the marked up percent of the article. యాక్చువల్గా కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్, సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్, మార్కెట్ ప్రైస్. He is getting a profit of 2256 and it is 37.6% of the profit that would have been earned if no discount was allowed. For example, if it is cost price and market price, అసలు డిస్కౌంట్ ఇవ్వకపోతే మనం ఎంతకు సేల్ చేయాలండి? It should be sold for market price only. For example, if it is 100, this profit earned earlier is 37.6%. Understood or not? So obviously this will be 62.4%. This is, if you observe, he is asking for how, then find the marked up percentage of the article. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని డిస్కౌంట్స్ ఇచ్చాడండి? ఏంటవి? 10 ఒకటి, 12 ఒకటి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10 అండ్ 12 దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అండి? సింగిల్ డిస్కౌంట్. దట్ ఈస్ 12 plus 10 minus 12 into 10. 20.8. 22 minus 1.2. 20.8%. So that is 20.8% discount means that is nothing but the distance here is 62.4, isn't it? 62.4. Aunandi. Then 100 will be 300. 3 times under the. So means 100. ఈ 20.8 అనేది ఏంటి? డిస్కౌంట్. 62.4 అనేది ఏంటి? దేని మీద ఇచ్చాడు చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇది 300 అయింది అనుకోండి, ఇది 300 అయితే, ఇది 100 అయితే, అప్పుడు ఇదెంత? 200. Then how much the market price is marked? ఎంతండి? 100 on 200 percentage చెప్పాలి. That is 50% marked. So option 1 is the correct answer. ఇది కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ క్వశ్చనే, అర్థం చేసుకోకపోతే మాత్రం రాదు. సో అంటే దీంట్లో ఎక్కువ టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయి ఉన్నాయి. ఐ థింక్ ఐ నీడ్ నాట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. హియర్ ఏబిసి స్టార్టెడ్ ఏ బిజినెస్ విత్ అన్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ 1500. ఆఫ్టర్ 3 months 1500 into 3 plus 1500 into 3 plus increase capital by 15%. What is 15%? 225. 225 means 1725 into last 6 months, because for the last 3 months he told. అర్థమైందండి? ఆఫ్టర్ 3 months, లాస్ట్ 3 months means between 6 months. 1000 more means 2725 into 3. Understood or not? second person 1750 into 3, Q decreased 10%. 10% means 175 తీసేయండి. 175 అంటే 1575 అంతేనా? కాదండి, 1475. 1575, yes. 1575 into 6 plus 1675 into 3. థౌజండ్ మోర్ కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఆర్ చెప్పండి. 2250. he did not change up to 9 months. P changed, sorry, A changed. ఇక్కడ Q అని వచ్చింది ఏంటంటే మళ్ళీ let us consider this is B. C did not change. So 2250 plus for 9 months, 3250 for 3 months. Then you can find out the ratio. ఏదండి ఇది 182725 కదా 1000. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ 2575. దిస్ ఈజ్ 2575. ఇది సింప్లిఫై చేసుకుని రేషియో వేసుకోవడం. ఇదేంటి పరిస్థితి? రెగ్యులర్ hexagon is inscribed in a circle, another circle is inscribed in the hexagon. Now another hexagon is inscribed in the second circle. If the sum of the perimeters of both the hexagons, then the area of the large circle is. Let us consider ఇవేంటండి ఇవి అన్ని ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్సే. If it is R, that is the radius of outer circle, the side of that hexagon will also be R. Understood or not? This is the radius of inner circle, that is the height of this triangle. Understood or not? So that is root 3 by 2 R. Can I write it? Root 3 by 2 R is the side of the inner hexagon and R is the side of the outer hexagon. Side perimeter will be into 6 అండి. That is 6R plus 3 root 3R is equal to 84 plus 42 root 3. So that is R is cancelled. If you observe, that will be cancelled for 14 times, I think. R must be 14. అంతేనండి, R must be 14. If R is 14, that is the radius of outer circle we assumed, isn't it? So therefore the area of the larger circle is pi R square. 28 into 22, 616 అండి. Option 1 is the correct answer. In a mixture of alcohol and water, the concentration of alcohol is 64%. 64% means, and water is 36. If the mixture was mixed with another mixture of X alcohol to get 600 milliliter of 400 milliliter of this mixture, 400 milliliter is mixed with another mixture for giving total 600 milliliter. So the another mixture is, the quantity of another mixture must be 200 liter. In the final quantity, the alcohol percentage is 60, which is 360. 60% of 600. 360 means this should be 240. So here what is 64% of 400? 256. Definitely this should be 104. So this should be, so what should be the concentration of water in the mixture X? So this should be 96. So this is 96 out of 200. Percentage is 48. Isn't it? The sum of cost price and selling price of an article is rupees If the article is marked up by 60% above the cost price, then given discount of dash percentage and earns a profit of 26%. Find which of the following given option is true. For example, if the cost price is 100 rupees, it is marked up above 60% means 160. Profit is 26% means it is sold for 126. What is the discount given? 34 rupees on 160. Understood or not? 8, 17, 170 by 8. 170 by 8 gives 8 20s are 160. 10 by 8 means 1.25. So 21.25 should be the percentage. Option 2 and option 4 are there. Understood or not? So if you observe, the discount percentage is 21.25. What is the cost price and selling price? 100 plus 126 will give 226 rupees. So దీంట్లో ఏ ఆప్షన్ 226 తో డివైడ్ అవుతుందో చెప్పండి. Only two options are there with 21.25, out of which 4520 will be divisible by 226. 452 is 2 times of 226, isn't it? So definitely option 2 should be the answer. ఇది చెప్పండి. 11 by, this can be written as 5 1 by 3 whole square. This is 6 power 1 by 3 whole square. 5 power 1 by 3 into 6 power 1 by 3, isn't it? This is in the form a square minus ab plus b square. It should be multiplied with a plus b, that is 5 power 1 by 3 plus 6 power 1 by 3. 5 power 1 by 3 plus 6 power 1 by 3. This will give a cube minus a cube plus b cube. That is a cube is 5, b cube is 6. This will be cancelled with 11. Final answer is cube root of 5 plus cube root of 6. When it is compared with this, a will be 1, b will be 1, c will be 0. అంతేనండి. అసలు రూట్ 15 అనే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కదా. C will be 0. The answer will be 5. Option 3. ఓకేనా? ఇది నేను చెప్పు.